Alright, so some people are wanting to know a little bit about what I did to get the video editing for one of the past stories, or specifically the ping pong tournament. So this video is just a brief review of some what I did to get that to go. So the first step that I really took was this video file right here, which is the original sound file that was given to me, overlaid with just a white background. I'm not going to show you how to do that because that's just a simple, quick video editor composite, but the reason for doing that is because the subtitles section that we'll be doing later does not put a background layer in, so you can have to do that with the original video audio combination in order to get the white background that you expect. Alright, so the actual first step that we're going to now see is GSub, which is used for subtitles. Pick kind of using subtitles just because a lot of the same problems you try and solve with subtitles, and therefore the software used for doing subtitle editing kind of corresponds to what we were doing, which is they're similar. They're both synchronized text with audio and video underneath. So once I started piecing together in my mind, it made more sense to do it this way. So anyways, here's the PewDiePie ping pong section I did. I will open up the blank video file to use as overlay and the audio with it. And I will then explain what you see here. So, the section right here in the middle is the video preview section. Section up here at the top is the audio sectioning area. Section right here is the text for each slide section, and down here is the list of sections. So overall, your goal is to use these orange and red selectors here to select a section of audio. It's usually not too hard. You can see these little silent sections are kind of easy to pick out. You just got to figure out which ones you want. And then you just put the text and other markup you want with it, and then you hit play. You can see your end result here in the video preview. So the most complicated section is the title slide, so I'll just go over that for the most part. There's the text in between, but then there's some of the markup, which some of it, like this pause for positioning, is done just by double clicking anywhere here in the preview. Kind of rearranges it for you. This FAD is a fading thing that I added in just to make it flow smoother. This FN section right here is just a font. It's how I changed fonts in the middle of the section here. Just to actually do fonts in general. And these backslash n are the that gives it the spacing of like the new line and whatnot. Other important thing is this commit button. If you don't hit it, then it won't essentially save when you go on to move to another section like this. Otherwise, most of the rest of it is just simple paste of a paragraph or a section that made sense, and the simple positioning and fading. Most of that is actually you can just kind of copy and paste. The rest is some of the things that are handy to know. These play sections, buttons are good for kind of just seeing what you're working on in that area. And then these buttons next to are like play last and first sections of your audio selection. Good to make sure you got the right spot. Really the rest of it is just the exact same. Not super difficult once you get the hang of it. And then you have your subtitle file. So the next step is to use VLC to combine those different results together. Go up here, there's convert save, that's what you want to select. And you want to select your blank file as the video source. For the subtitles file, you want to say yes, and you select your subtitle file. And you hit convert save, click browse again. You basically just tell it where you want stuff saved. Then you select your video format you want, and you hit start. I'm not going to do that because I already have the end result, but when that is done, you'll have your final video product. That's the basic overview of what I did to get it to work like that, and I can answer any questions people have about it.